Assalamu alaikum class, hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are going to have our fourth lecture, Primary Mathematics, second edition for grade 2. Okay class, before starting our lesson, I want to tell you about number patterns. Okay, what is number pattern? Okay, what is number pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Okay, I repeat. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. I have an example. A, B, A, B. Okay. What comes to the next? What comes to the next? Yes, A and B. Because AB is a pattern. Because AB is a pattern and repeated over and over again. Okay. AB, AB and AB. Okay. Okay class, we have another example of number pattern. Look at the bracelet. A bracelet is of shapes. Okay. We have a square, circle and triangle. Okay. Square, circle and triangle and so on. This is called a pattern. Okay. Square, circle and triangle. This is called a pattern as it is repeating itself. Okay. Square, circle, triangle, then square, circle and triangle. Okay, look, we got the pattern. Okay, we got the pattern. Now let us try making few more patterns. Okay, look at this bag of flashcard. Okay, each card have a pattern of dots. Each card have a pattern of dots. Look, we have arranged few cards according to the increasing order of dots. Okay, starting with a card with one dot. Okay, one dot, two dots, three dots, four dots and five dots. Kids, let's us follow the same pattern and find out the four cards. Okay, find out the four cards. Next four cards. Yes, correct. The next card will be with 6 dots, then 7 dots, 8 dots and 9 dots. Okay, 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots, 7 dots, 8 dots and 9 dots. Okay. Okay class, now we are starting our lesson for number patterns. Number patterns. Okay, as you know what is number pattern. Recap. Look at the number patterns. Look at the number patterns. Here is a number pattern 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay. What comes after 54? Okay. Each number is one more than the number before it. Okay. Then 54, 55. Yes, 55. Okay. The second number pattern is 100, 99, 98 and 97. This is a backward counting. 100, 99, 98, 97. Okay. What comes after 97? Okay. 97 minus 1 equal to 96. Okay. 96. In first number pattern, the missing number is 55 and the second number pattern, the missing number is 96. Okay class. Moving toward in focus. Here is also a number pattern. What is the missing number? Okay, what is the missing number in this number pattern? 211, 212, 213, 214 and what come after 214? Okay class, each number is one more than the number before it. Okay, 214 plus 1 equal to 215. The missing number is 215. 215. Okay class. Moving toward page number 15. Let's learn. 1. 211, 212, 213, 214. Okay. One more. It means plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Okay. When we add 1 with previous number 214, it makes 215. Okay class, 214 plus 1 or 1 more, 215. Okay, we add one box another. Okay, one more than 214 is 215. The missing number is 215. The number pattern is 211, 212, 213, 214, and the last one, and the missing number is 215. Okay class, 215. Moving toward question number 2. Here is a number pattern: 211, 214, 217, 220, and what number comes next? As you know, each number is 3 more than the number before it. 211 plus 3 equal to 214, 214 plus 3 equal to 217, 217 plus 3 equal to 220, 220 plus 3 equal to 223. The missing number is 223. Okay, you can see there are 2 bars of hundreds, 2 rows of tens, and in 0 there is nothing. 220 plus 3 equal to, there are 200 of bars, 200s of bars, and 2 rows of tens. Okay, and there are 3 single small boxes which we add. 223. Okay, 3 more than 220 is 223. The number pattern is 211, 214, 217, 220, and the missing number is 223. 223. Class, you can see here is another question: what number comes next? What number comes next? See the number pattern: 329, 326, 323, 320, and what number comes next? Okay class, each number is 3 less than the number after it. Okay, each number is 3 less than the number after it. Okay, 329 minus 3 equal to 326. 326 minus 3 equal to 323. 323 minus 3 equal to 320. 320 minus 3 equal to 317. Yes, the missing number is 317. 317. Moving toward page number 16, here is number 3. Okay, you can see here a number pattern: 211, 221, 231, 241. Okay, what number comes next? What number comes next? Each number is 10 more than the number before it. Okay, 211 plus 10 equal to 221. 221 plus 10 equal to 231. 231 plus 10 equal to 241. And 241 plus 10 equal to 251. Yes, 251. The missing number is 251. Okay class, you can see here are 2 bars of hundreds, 4 rows of tens, and 1 single row, the 1 single small box. Okay, 241 plus 10 equal to 251. 10 more than 241 is 251. 251. The number pattern is 211, 221, 231, 241, and the missing number is 251. Okay class, you can see here a question: what is the missing number? Okay, what is the missing number? You can see here a number pattern: 498, 488, 478, 468, and what number comes next? Okay, class, what number comes next? Can you please tell me? Okay, each number is 10 less than the number after it. Okay, 498 minus 10 equal to 488. 488 minus 10 equal to 478. 478 minus 10 equal to 468. 468 minus 10 equal to 458. Okay, the missing number is 458. 458. Okay, and 458 minus 10 equal to 448. 448 minus 10 equal to 438. Thus we can say the missing number is 458. 458. Okay. Number 4. Here is also a number pattern: 438, 436, 434, 432. Okay. What comes next? What number comes next? Each number is 2 less than the number after it. Okay, 438, 436, 434, 432, and the missing number is 430. 430. 432 minus 2 equal to 430. 2 less than 432 is 430. 430. The number pattern is 438, 436, 434, 432. Okay, and the missing number is 430. 430. 430. Moving toward page number 17. 5. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Here is a number pattern. You can see 511, 411, 311, 211, and what number comes next? Okay, class, you can see the arrows shows minus 100 or 100 less. Okay, 100 less means minus 100. 511 minus 100 equal to 411, as on minus 100 equal to 311, minus 100 equal to 211, and 211 minus 100, okay, minus 100 equal to 111. 211 minus 100 equal to 111. 100 less than 211 is 111. 211 minus 100 equal to 111. Okay, 100 minus from 211 equal to 111. Okay, the missing number is 111. Number pattern: 511, 411, 311, 211. Then the missing number is 111. 111. Question number 6. What is the missing number? Okay, you can see a number pattern: 290, 295, 300, 305, 310. Okay, class, the number is 5 more than the number before it. Okay, 290 plus 5 equal to 295, as on 305, 310. 310 plus 5 equal to 315. 310 is dash more than 305. You have to write 5. Okay, 5 more than 305. Dash is dash more than 310. 315 is 5 more than 310. The missing number is 315. 315. Moving toward question number 7. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Here you can see a number pattern or a train of a number pattern. Okay, you can see a train of a number pattern. 100, 102, 107, 109, 114, 116, 121. Okay, class, what number comes next and what is the missing number? Can you please tell me? Okay, let's start. 100 plus 2 equal to 102, 102 plus 5 equal to 107, 107 plus 2 equal to 109, 109 plus 5 equal to 114, 114 plus 2 equal to 116, 116 plus 5 equal to 121. Then, okay, this is a number pattern. Okay, this is a pattern we have. Plus 2 and plus 5, 100, 100 and 102, 107. This is a pattern, okay, as on, repeated again and again. Then plus 2, 121 plus 2 equal to 123, okay. The missing number is 123, 123. On page number 18, practice. Here is a question. Question number 1. Find the missing numbers. Find the missing numbers. Part A. 1 more than 259 is dash. 1 more than 259 is dash. 1 more means plus 1. Okay. 1 more means plus 1. 259 plus 1 equal to 260. The missing number is 260. Part B, 100 more than 662 is dash. What is the missing number? Class, can you please tell me? 100 more means 100 plus, okay, plus 100. 662 plus 100 equal to 762, okay, 762, okay. Part C, 5 less than 135 is dash. What is the missing number? Can you please tell me? 5 less means 5 minus, okay, minus 5. 135 minus 5 equal to 130. Class, what? 130. The missing number is 130. Part D, 10 less than 384 is dash. 10 less means 10 minus, okay, 10 less means 10 minus. 384 minus 10 equal to 374. 374. 384 minus 10 equal to 374. Okay. Moving toward question number 2. Start at 420. Start at 420. Here is a train of a pattern, number pattern. Okay. Draw 2 jumps of 3 backward. Draw 2 jumps of 3 backward. 3 backward means minus 3, okay. 420, start at 420, okay. 420 minus 3 equal to 417, and when we minus the 3 from 417, it makes 414. 417 minus 3 equal to 414, okay. Which number do you land on? Which number do you land on? We land on number 414. 414. We have to write 414. Okay, class. Moving toward question number 3. Complete the number patterns. Complete the number patterns. 768, 668, 568, 468, 368. Okay. Each number is 100 less than the number after it. Okay. Then the missing number is 268. We have to write 268. Okay, class. Part B, 572, 574, 576, 578, 580. Okay, the missing number is 580. Okay, class. Each number is 2 more than the number before it. Okay, before it. 582. Okay, the missing number is 580 plus 2. 578 plus 2 equal to 580. Part C. What is the missing number? Okay, what is the missing number? We start from the end number. 679, 684, 689, 694, 699, 699. Okay class, each number is more 5 more than the number after it. Okay, the missing number is 704. 699 plus 5 equal to 704. Okay, part D. 931. What number comes next? Okay, each number is 2 less than the number. Okay, 931 minus 2 equal to 929. Okay, 929 minus 2 equal to 927. 927 minus 2 equal to 925. 925 minus 2 equal to 923. 923 minus 2 equal to 921. Okay, let's move on. D, part E, sorry. 816, 811, 806, 801, and what number comes next? Okay class, what number comes next? Each number is 5 less than the number. Okay, 5 less than the number. 801 minus 5 equal to 796. Okay, 796. The missing number is 796. Part F. 224, 225, 227, 228, 230, 231, 233. Okay, you can see the pattern. First we add 1, then we add 2. First we add 1, then we add 2. First we add 1, then we add 2. Okay, then we add 1. Okay, 233 plus 1 equal to 234. Okay, 234. The missing number is 234. Okay class, hope you all enjoyed this lesson, and remember me in your prayers class. Allah Hafiz.